Did you know that 73% of Gen Z have reported feeling lonely from time to time? In this video, I share the methods I use to have a big social circle as a 14-year-old. Method number 1, start conversations. I know this sounds kind of dumb, but you won't be able to make friends if you don't start a conversation. So what you need to do is start conversations or be curious. What you can do is, if you see something interesting in a person, you can ask them about it, or compliment them on their clothing, or just give compliments. And if you have a question, you can ask people about it, so you make more connections, and the more connections you have, the bigger the chances you will make more friends. So I know it's hard, but you need to start practicing. It's almost like a muscle. The more repetitions you do, the better. So you need to start and do repetitions of talking to people and starting conversations. At first it can just be asking for directions or just basic stuff. Then you can start complimenting people, and then you can start developing the conversation more, so it isn't just hey, where's the train station? Okay, thanks. Number 2, you need to realize that as a teen you have a superpower. You go to school, so that means you hang out with a lot of people. Depending on the school, it can be up to 1,000 teens. So just by utilizing this, you can talk with a bigger amount of people, and that means it will be easier to make friends because you have more people around you. So for example, instead of sitting alone or just with one friend, get to know other people. If you get to know other people, you will be able to befriend them. If they don't even know you exist, how will they befriend you? So you need to go to more groups. Imagine if at lunch, instead of sitting alone, you sit with a group of people. Just by being around people, there are a lot more chances that you will befriend someone because there are people around you to befriend. Number 3, join groups or clubs. If you just join a group where there are a lot of people who have the same interests as you, there are a lot more chances that you will befriend someone. So for example, I joined karate class, not because I wanted more friends, but because I like karate. And suddenly I have more friends that also like karate. Or just if you join different classes, there will be a higher probability that you can meet someone with the same interests as you, and because they have the same interests as you, there is a high probability that they have the same beliefs and values as you, which is very important when you're building friendships. So just by going to a group or a club, you can meet more people, which is the theme of this video basically. Just by meeting more people, you will make more friends. Plus, by joining a group or a club, you can sort the people around. So if you want people with some values, there will be more probability that they will be in one group instead of another one. So you can kind of like filter out the people you don't want to meet. Real quick, if you watched this far, chances are you're enjoying the video, so leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this weekly. Number 4, now that you already met more people, you need to know how to actually keep them and make friends. So you already met the people, so how do I make the friends now? Well, the first thing you need to do is be yourself. If you're putting on a mask and you're fake with friends, then they're not your friends. You need to be realistic and authentic so that they meet the real you, and then they won't be disappointed in you. If you're constantly faking, first, that's very stressful, because what if they find out who you are actually? And second, that is just not that you won't be able to build real friendship with that, because it's all building under a mask. It's all a facade. So what you need to do is be yourself, be authentic, let them see the real you, and that way they will let you see the real them, and you will build a stronger connection with that person because you're not vulnerable, but you're authentic with each other. And finally, number 5, one of the most important ones, because if you follow the 4 last steps but you don't do this one, you're gonna fail. So this one is, try to have fun. If you just go searching for friends as quest, you won't be able to make friends because you're just trying to get the number of friends you have up. What you need to do is actually try and have fun with people, and you will see that the people you have the most fun with are the ones you will want to hang around more. So those are your friends. So if you just go with the intention to have fun, it will be a lot easier to make friends, because you can just be yourself. That's the first thing. If you go with the intention of having fun, you don't put any pressure on yourself. So you'll be yourself. You'll just try and meet cool people, and who knows, maybe you'll meet someone. So we'll just try to have fun. That's basically one of the most important things I can say. If you enjoyed the video, go watch this one, which YouTube thinks you might like, and if I do say so myself, it's a banger of a video. So go check it out and go see if YouTube is correct.